Today, I'll walk you through a simple web application that allows us to send requests to a Cosmos DB account and monitor its throttling behavior. With this interface, you can control the rate at which requests are generated for both low and high priorities, using the available sliders. The bottom left graph displays the request rates over time for each type, while the top right graph presents the number of accepted and throttled requests separately for both priorities. There's also a graph showing RU consumption, helping us monitor usage for each priority as well as overall RU consumption. In this scenario, our database provision throughput is set to 500 request units per second. Since our usage is currently below this limit, none of the requests are being throttled, and all our operations are point reads of 1 kilobyte documents. At the moment, priority-based execution isn't enabled on this account. Let's see what happens when there's a sudden increase in low-priority requests. Let's raise that to about 400 requests per second. Now, we'll pause for a moment to let the graphs update. As you can see, because priority-based execution isn't enabled, both low and high priority requests are being throttled. This means that if there's a sudden surge in low priority activity, it can reduce available throughput for high priority workloads, potentially slowing down critical operations. Now, let's enable priority-based execution on this account and test the same scenario again. With priority-based execution turned on, I'll increase the rate of low priority requests once more, again to around 400 requests per second. This time, you can see that only the low priority requests are throttled, while the high priority requests continue to be processed smoothly, without disruption. In summary, priority-based execution enables your high priority workloads to remain protected, regardless of surges in lower priority traffic. If high priority demand exceeds the provision limit, some throttling will still occur, at which point all low priority requests are already being rejected. Thank you for following this overview of priority-based execution in Azure Cosmos DB.